What is up, guys? So today we're going to be going over our memberships tab, and in the memberships tab we have tons of different things we can do. Even though there's only three options up here, there are so many things to do and so many ways to make money. One of the first things that we could do to go over about making money is our courses. Now, courses are essentially ebooks. You can actually import them straight from Kajabi if you're not familiar with Kajabi. It is a platform in which you can build ebooks and sell them, but in here you can actually do it straight through your CRM so that everything is integrated and that you have it all in one place. You don't have to go to all these other places. You can actually build your own in here as well. Start from scratch, and you can see that there is 4 different options. You can do a build your own, a marathon course, sprint course, and a membership. I'll show you a little bit of how to do that. You can name it here, whatever you so choose to name it. And then you're going to open up this tab here, and you're going to see that it is completely customizable from head to toe. You can I'll show you exactly what it looks like to edit one. You can upload a video here, change your title, change the category, put your whole description in here, put your thumbnail here, and attach files. And then you would be able to preview it as soon as you have all of that done. You can actually preview it at any point and see exactly what it would look like when it comes out on the other side. You can also come in here and customize the colors. These can get a little tricky, so it's better to have us do it, but you can come in here and customize fully exactly how you want it to look. You can do your certificates in here, your offers, and little details as well. Whenever you go to actually click preview, if there's no information there, then obviously nothing's going to be there. But normally you can customize this entire piece here. Like, this is just a cover photo, and then this would be the name of the place, and then you don't have access to this because we haven't paid for it yet. Your logo would be up here. It'd be the 1 through 10 lessons. Like, if they're there's like a program, and then the instructor name, which would normally be the business owner or a salesperson, their name would be right here. One of the coolest things that I like about memberships is the community. Community is so cool. It is one of the best ways to stay interacting with your clients and or customers. It's very similar to the way Discord looks. You can add channels over here, name it, you can do marketing reports. You can actually have a membership course a membership community for your employees. You can have all of your employees in here in one big chat, and you can actually upload marketing reports to your salespeople. You can talk to them and have everything here for forever. It's really similar to like a Facebook. You can also, like for trainings and whatnot with your employees, you can actually build one of those courses to be training for all new employees, and then have them complete the training inside of here, which is just awesome. It's just like you don't have to have any other software to do anything. You can actually have it all right here, and it would just be one big training platform. So this is some of the things that we can do with RYZE CRM and the memberships tabs. You also have certificates. You can build out the certificate. Right here, you go over here to your certificate templates. These are what some of the templates would look like. This is whenever the said person finishes a course. Cool. So if you have any other questions on that, just let me know. Other than that, have an amazing day.